Okay, so let's have a little bit of a look at the chorus. And then I'll show you how to do that as well. So chords very simple: C at 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7, half a bar on each. And then the last time through, you end on the E minor. Then we get that little tap. So C at 9, you want to play the third fret on the A string and then the open B string, followed by open G string. Remember, we've played the open B string before that. Okay, followed by a little tap, and then the open, then you play the bass note again. And so the bass now is going. It's just very straightforward, really. So then onto the E minor, open low E string, followed by playing the on an E minor chord G, the first string, which will be open, and then the second fret on the fourth string. Tap second fret on the low E string into a G chord, and then on the G chord, of course, the bass note, and I'll play the D and the G string together, open. So yeah, tap, and then you're gonna be the one that. So that is just a G string open twice, then the second on the D string, open G, back to the second on the D string, open G, back to the second on the D. And if you can get the tap, or the bass, which will just go da 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 da. Now that tells you, once you practice it like that and you get the timing right and you've counted, that this G here lands on the count of 4. So if you're adding that percussive tap, really you're going to want to do that on a down pick. So you're picking down so I can get that tap, because it's very hard to pick up and get the tap at the same time. So okay, and then up. Okay, so that's the first 2 bars. So okay, and then back to C add 9. And that's exactly the same as the first bar. And then the only difference is on that E minor, instead of doing, you just have to go. That's easier. So it's open for second string, first on the second string, third on the second string. So, and then open G. Okay. That goes back to your C at 9. So instead of, you'll get. So it's easier. Okay, back to C add 9, tap to the E. Like that. So it's just a bass note, tap, and then the bass note again on a C add 9, down to the low E string for E minor chord, and then just to fill space, you want to add in the D and the G string on an E minor, and then walk up. It's optional, you could just play That's the first 4 bars of the chorus. First 5 bars, sorry. So once you get to this G, that's the melody. B string, open, first on the same string, and then open again, and then open again. Okay, so. Okay. And then CR9, you want to play the A string, 3rd fret, and then pull off 2 open on the 3rd string. Followed by a tap, bass, and then to the low E string. Just like before, walk up to the G, tap, and then end on the E minor. So. Okay, so that's the chorus basically. Then you hang on to that. And then you actually get you get a bar of 6/4 after that. So you want to just listen to the song, count along. But the little feel that I do, and again, there's billions of there's millions of ways that you could do this. Maybe not billions, but there's tons of ways you could do this. But all I do, something like that. So in the right hand, I do just like a little roll, just across these 4 fingers. I do it here. You could do it down here. Wherever you want to do it. You could just do a tap and then back in. But I'm rolling these 3 fingers, 3, 2, 1, thumb. I have no nails. If you do it, it's probably going to sound better. But just roll those on. I think I do that. Yeah. And then tap with my thumb, as if I'm hitting like a tom. And then bass. Thump here using your wrist, and then it's hard to say exactly. I think I do that. So we've done a roll, tap, bass, tap, bass, tap. Okay. Roll, tap, bass, tap, bass, tap. Yeah, so just roll, tap, bass, tap, tap, bass. That's all. But I encourage you to make it your own, and then, or just 4-reander. Okay, 4-reander on an A7 sus4.